Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video let's unbox and review the Infinix XE21. These are sent by Infinix XClub, which is a social media app by Infinix where you can create content and also participate into their activities and win exciting prizes. You can search for it on Play Store. And now let's get back to the Infinix XE21's unboxing and review, and here we go. The box is compact with shiny finish and the earbuds are minimalist with a matte finish. The earbuds are comfortable enough to have in place for long listening sessions. These are nice to use too, with touch sensitive pads on each earpiece, which is used to control music playback, and the option to enable the gaming mode is also a valuable addition. Mids and lows are good, but the highs need improvement. Infinix XE21 can handle almost all frequencies a human can hear. The bass along with the sound quality is also great. There is a USB Type-C port for charging 650 mAh battery, which lasts for about a week on standby and 24 hours in continuous usage. So the battery life is competitive too. Noise cancellation is the only notable feature these earbuds are missing. So all in all, the XE21 checks all the boxes except for the noise cancellation. And with that being said, do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next one.